I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about probability. So let's start with that. So probability, ये क्या होता है? Death is certainty. Every living creature which is bound to die. It is certain that the sun will rise in the east. It's impossible that you would grow taller than a giraffe. It's also impossible that you will see a living dinosaurs in any zoo. हम किसी डायनासोर्स को जू में नहीं देख सकते हैं और हम इतने भी लंबे नहीं हो सकते जितना कि जिराफ होता है. So besides such events as above whose happening is either certain or impossible, there are events in our daily life which are possible or likely but uncertain. We can't be sure whether they would happen or not. It's possible or likely that Mr. Madan Lal will win the elections, but we can't be sure. It's quite possible or very likely that you would be selected for the school team, but it's not certain, beta. When you buy a lottery ticket, it's possible that you may win. होता है ना, जब हम लॉटरी की टिकट्स लेंगे तो शायद हम जीत जाएं, शायद हम ना जीते. But since lakhs of people would have bought the tickets, the chances of your winning are very less. We may say that there is a very poor chances of yours winning, or to put it in other words, it's very unlikely that you will win. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों ने लॉटरी टिकट्स बाय करी है तो चांसेस क्या होते हैं, कम ही होते हैं. सो इफ़ यू टॉस अ कॉइन, अगर आप एक कॉइन को टॉस करते हैं, यू आर नॉट श्योर विच वन द हेड और द टेल विल शो अप. द चांसेस ऑफ इट बीइंग ईदर हेड और टेल are even or equal. We say that it's equally likely that it will be either head or tail. Okay? Dikshit is a brilliant student while Divyang is an average student. Okay? It's very likely, or we may say there is a good chance that both will set up promotions to next class. However, it is very unlikely, that is there is a poor chance that Divyang will get first positions in the class. Okay बेटा, जो एवरेज स्टूडेंट है उसके लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है फर्स्ट रैंक लेना क्लास में. वी से दैट क्रिकेट इज़ अ गेम ऑफ अ लक और चांस. क्रिकेट तो हमारा एक लक का भी गेम है. वी कांट से दैट विथ सर्टेनिटी विच टीम विल विन. कौन सी टीम जीतेगी हम कह नहीं सकते हैं प्रॉपरली. In a cricket match between two good teams, both teams have an even chance of winning. You may also express it by saying that it's equally likely that team A or team B will win. I hope you understood. So now what is probability? So probability of any event to occur tells us about the chance or possibility of occurrence of that event. Consider the following experiments. See, tossing a game. Suppose we toss a coin and let it fall flat on the ground. Its upper face will show either head means H or tail means T. Thus, in tossing a coin, there are two possible outcomes or events. They are H is the event of getting a head, T is the event of getting a tail, beta. Now, B part is tossing two coins together. Suppose we toss two coins simultaneously. Okay. Then all possible outcomes are, means H's is the event of getting head on first and second coin both, and HT is the event of getting head on first and tail on second coin. TH is the event of getting tail on first and head on second coin. And TT is the event of getting tail on first and second coin both, beta. I hope you understood. So now next. Third one is throwing a die. Suppose we throw a die and let it fall on the ground. Its upper face will show one of the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thus, all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, beta. Now drawing a card from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. If we draw a card from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, number of possible outcomes is 52. Yes, now note beta. A pack of 52 cards has 4 suits, namely spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds. Each suit has 13 cards. Spades and clubs are black cards, while heart and diamonds are red card, like that way. Okay. So now probability of occurrence of an event. So let E be an event. Okay. Then probability of occurrence of E is designed as PE. That means beta, number of favorable outcomes is divided by total number of outcomes. So note, probability of an event, that means PE is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1 beta. Now solve examples. Example number 1. So a coin is tossed. एक coin को toss करा है. What is the probability of getting a tail? So tail आने की कितने chances है उसमें? So in tossing a coin there are 2 possible outcomes, that is tail and head. दो ही तो chances होगा, या तो tail आएगा या तो head आएगा. So thus P मतलब getting a tail, number of tails 1 and total outcomes कितने हो गए 2, क्योंकि वो 2 outcomes कितने हैं, head और tail के ही है, और tail कितनी बार आएगा, अगर हम एक बार lift करेंगे तो 1 time आएगा. So this is how we just do that kind of sum. So now example 2. In a single throw of 2 coins, what is probability of getting A both heads and B means exactly 1 head? So solutions. When 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, अगर 2 coins को एक साथ हम toss करते हैं, total possible outcomes are 4. That means HH, HT, TH and TT. So favorable outcome is HS. That means number of favorable outcomes हैं 1. Thus P means getting both head, number of favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes is 1/4. I hope you understood. And now B part answer is favorable outcomes are HT and TH. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 2. Thus P means getting exactly 1 head, that is number of favorable outcomes is equal to beta total number of outcomes. So 2/4, that means yes, half. I hope you understood. So now move on one more example, that is 3. A die is thrown at random. एक die को फेंका जाता है randomly. Find the probability of getting A 5, B निकालेंगे हम a number less than 5 and C they are asking a prime number and D is a number not less than 5. So answer, when a die is thrown, total possible outcomes are 6. ओके 6 ही हमारे आउटकम्स होंगे. सो दैट इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6. इन दिस केस फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आर 5. सो हैंस नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितने हो गए हमारे 1. सो दस P मीन्स गेटिंग 5, नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स बेटा, दैट इज 1/6. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. सो नाउ B पार्ट इज फेवरेबल आउटकम्स हमारे कितने हो गए 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. सो हैंस नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितने हैं 4. सो गेटिंग अ नंबर लेस देन 5 कितने हो गए 4/6, दैट इज 2/3, लाइक दैट वे. एंड सी पार्ट आंसर, फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितने हो गए 2, 3 एंड 5. नाउ नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स इज 3. So thus P getting a prime number, that is 3/6 is equal to half. Okay. And D part is favorable outcomes अब ये हमारे कितने 5 and 6. So therefore number of favorable outcomes हो जाएंगे हमारे 2. Thus P getting a number not less than 5, that is half, 1/3. I hope you understood. So now move on example 4. A bag contains 10 marbles. 4 white है उसमें, 3 red है, 2 blue है and 1 is green. Okay. A marble is टेकन आउट एट अ रैंडम, और उसमें से ऐसे रैंडमली निकालते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द मार्बल इज ऑफ रेड कलर फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड इज नॉट ऑफ वाइट कलर. सो solutions. In drawing a marbles from the bag, there are 10 possible outcomes. First one is favorable outcomes include drawing a marble of red color. So number of favorable outcomes is 3. That means because there are 3 marbles of red color. So thus P getting a marble of red colors is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by beta total number of outcomes, that means 3 by 10. Hope you understood. See now B part. Favorable outcomes include drawing a marble of red, blue and green color. So therefore number of favorable outcomes कितने हैं हमारे? Yes, 6 हैं. So B getting a marble not of white color कितने हो गए? 6 by 10, और 6 by 10 को सिंप्लीफाई करने पे हमारा आंसर आएगा yes 3 by 5. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 5. सो हेयर इट इज, one card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is A 5, B a king and C का है हमारा a red card. So solutions. In drawing a card from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, there are 52 possible outcomes. Okay, कौन से outcomes हैं? Let's start with first one. Favorable outcomes include drawing a 5 of spade, 5 of club, 5 of heart and 5 of diamond. So thus number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4. That means P getting a 5 by 52, and after simplifying 5 by 52, yes, answer is 1 by 13. Hope you understood. And B part is, so now favorable outcomes include drawing a king of spade, king of club, king of heart and king of diamond. Okay, so 10 नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितने हो गए हमारे? 4. सो आफ्टर दैट देयरफॉर वी कैन से दैट P getting a king, that means 4 by 52 and simplifying it the number is 1 by 13. Okay, same C part. इसमें क्या है हमारा? फेवरेबल आउटकम्स इंक्लूड ड्रॉइंग अ रेड कार्ड. दस नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल्स आउटकम हो गए हमारे 26, बिकॉज पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स कंटेन 26 रेड कार्ड. सो दैट इज वाई P getting a red card is equal to 26 by 52 is equal to half beta. Now note, to find the probability of any event, all you need to know is its favorable outcomes and total outcomes. That's all. Hope you understood. So now move on. Exercise 18. So here it is given, a coin is tossed. एक coin को tossed किया जाता है. So what is the probability of getting a head? So head आने की probability कितनी होगी? Yes, it's half probability. Half कैसे होगी हमारी? ये होंगे हमारे number of heads और ये हमारे हो गए total outcomes. Okay, I hope you understood well. So this is the answer, half. I hope you understood well. So beta, these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So with this, we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So you only need to do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.